The other day I bought a bunch of lathe chucks because I wanted one particular one. This one has tickled my curiosity because at first glance it's a common self-centering scroll chuck, 3-jaw scroll chuck, just like any other. But it isn't, because the jaws are also individually adjustable and reversible, just like the jaws on a 4-jaw chuck. So why you would want a self-centering chuck with independently adjustable jaws, I don't know. You can reverse them, that's the only advantage I see. Does anybody know anything about it?